While the battle seems set between the BJP and AAP, it's ironic that the party that had ruled Delhi for 15 consecutive years is nowhere in the picture this time. The Congress party, which knows that if it has any shot at forming a government in the capital, it has to ally with the AAP, as it did a year ago. This was an unspoken truth, but one that was admitted on record by the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Sheila Dikshit, in an exclusive chat with Times Now. Ma'am, do you also feel that Kejriwal himself is trying to reinvent himself a bit now? You know, he is talking in a more political language. That rally at Nehru Place where he said कि मैं बनिया हूँ, मुझे धंधा आता है. So he is now not saying that I am an anarchist. He is talking a political language.
I don't know. Probably I'm not the right person to answer this because I understand much more than probably what impact it has on the common people. It could be something like you said something about VAT, as you have said, this thing. So, and he said that electricity will become half and water will become, free. Now, as a person who knows, and I'm sure people who are educated and know what governance is about, what a government can do and cannot do, will not get carried away. But they might, because even the BJP, Mr. Modi makes a promise every day practically.
In hindsight, do you feel that the Congress support to AAP was a good move for you politically?
I think at that time it certainly was, and I still think it was good. It was to bring in some stability of governance.
And if a similar situation arises now, do you think it will be an option again on the table?
Let us see what happens, because I'm sure none of the parties would really like to go in for an election immediately 10 days after this. The exploration is always done. You see, that's why you have these coalition governments, because so that you have an elected government.
But many people in the Congress later said that it wasn't a good idea. What we're doing is that we're eroding our own base.
Well, people can have different
because it's
opinions.
Your own vote that the AAP had cut.
Maybe, but that was the situation at that time. We couldn't have supported the BJP, even though it had a few more seats than the AAP had, because it's a communal party, and something that the Congress is certainly not subscribed to is communalism. But this time, so therefore he was given a chance. Now he ran away from that chance. So this time, I don't know what the picture is going to be like.
But if it is a fractured mandate, because it's a three-corner contest.
It is.
So if a similar situation
arises, in that case also, I think, if we go by what our experience last time is, or what are they, we certainly cannot support the BJP.
Yeah. But if it's a question of stability, rather than putting the Delhi voter through another election,
yes,
you feel that you
then
will
you would naturally the choice.
That means coming
naturally the choice would be yes.
Okay. This statement has created a twist in the run-up to the Delhi elections. The Congress is unhappy with Sheila's comment. They feel it's a defeatist remark and ill-timed just before the elections are announced. AAP feels that the impression that's going out is that AAP and the Congress are in an unholy alliance, and that's why they're not too happy with Sheila's remark either. The BJP, of course, is rubbing its hands in glee, and that's the party that hopes to gain maximum political mileage out of it.
Sheila has told Times Now that she's willing, the Congress party is willing to give Aam Aadmi Party the support if you require it again this time.
देखिए, इससे ये जाहिर है कि कांग्रेस अपनी हार मान चुकी है दिल्ली के अंदर। तो मैं दिल्ली में सभी लोगों से अपील करूंगा कि अब कांग्रेस को वोट देने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है। कांग्रेस को वोट ना दें, कांग्रेस को वोट देना अपना वोट बेकार करना है, कुएं में डालना है, और सब लोग आम आदमी पार्टी को वोट दें। मैंने यही कहा कि इसका मतलब कांग्रेस अपनी वोट हार मान चुकी है, तो वो उन्होंने पहले ही बोल दिया कि भाई कांग्रेस को वोट देने की जरूरत नहीं है, सारे आम आदमी पार्टी को वोट दें।
Congress will emerge as the single biggest party. That is our feeling. Whatever it is that we hope. But now there are 1 month more for the election. The election is yet to be announced. We have announced our candidates. Our candidates are far better than the other candidates comparatively. If there is something like a candidate factor, we will definitely get an advantage. So we will form the government. We will emerge as a major force in Delhi. We will play a major role in the Delhi's politics. Not that we are going to support any party. Neither BJP nor Aam Aadmi is totally unacceptable. and no question of his supporting any other party.
Sheila Dikshit has also said that since BJP is communal, the next best option for them is the Aam Aadmi Party, and if need be, this time around also they'll give the support to the Aam Aadmi Party to counter the Bharatiya Janata Party.
It doesn't matter what Sheila ji says. What the people of the country have said is what matters. And in 2014 election, and umpteen number of times thereafter in the state elections, the people of the country have voted for Bharatiya Janata Party in a way which was historic, which only proves that we are not a communal party because the people of the country are secular. So I believe it is only because of the fact that the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party have realized that they are going to be defeated in the election that they are speaking of coalition.
While the Congress may try hard to undo the damage done by Sheila, its image and prospects before the polls have taken a huge hit. But the inside story is evident, that it is the infighting of the Congress which will drop its final tally.
With Delhi elections right around the corner, the political temperatures in the national capital are rising. It seems to be a two-way war between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. From radio jingles to poster wars, it's all BJP versus the AAP. While the Aam Aadmi Party wants to project it versus Arvind Kejriwal and Jagdish Mukhi, BJP on the contrary wants it, and considerably, Narendra Modi versus Kejriwal. So there is a huge poster fight which is happening as of now. They are using your Jagdish Mukhi, who is a senior leader of the Delhi BJP unit, his picture, and says that who are you going to choose as a chief minister? Is it going to be a smiling Arvind Kejriwal, or it's a bit sad looking, sulking Jagdish Mukhi photo there?
And this I would call a classical guerrilla tactics of the Aam Aadmi Party. The Aam Aadmi Party had adopted all means of guerrilla tactics. You would see their economics was also guerrilla economics. Okay. And overnight you wanted to halve the electricity bill and all, you could do nothing. So it's misfire by the Aam Aadmi Party, in fact, has been seen by the people of Delhi. Just posters, having huge posters every day, day in and day out, advertising on the FM radios does not solve the purpose. People had given you the mandate in a way that you form a government. You formed the government, you should have delivered. You should have had patience. You did not have the patience to deliver. You ran away after 49 days. Had you shown the patience, had you shown the maturity, had you shown that we do not want to become something, we want to do something.
One thing on which the Aam Aadmi Party is completely banking its political strategy is that BJP's undecisiveness on choosing a chief ministerial candidate. Aam Aadmi Party says that they do not have a considerable candidate to put across Arvind Kejriwal, while BJP says they are running this election like all the others on the face of Narendra Modi. But then the poster war, which is right there behind all the auto rickshaws in the national capital, shows that point, that Arvind Kejriwal against a question mark, or Arvind Kejriwal against Jagdish Mukhi. While BJP says that their chief ministerial candidate will be decided post-elections, and it's only when BJP comes to power they will democratically decide. Aam Aadmi Party is making this one major political blank.
In Delhi elections, will you project someone as chief ministerial candidate, sir? In Delhi elections,
नहीं अभी तय नहीं हुआ हम प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे.
Are you trying to say or tell, or are people going to think that Mr. Modi is going to become the Chief Minister of Delhi? Remember, you need a Chief Minister's face.
But even the Congress is not projecting a Chief Minister.
We never have. When I contested the first time in '98, there was no Chief Minister candidate at all. We won because of the drawbacks of the previous BJP government. We won that. Then the MLAs collected together, chose a chief minister, and the High Command ratified it, and that's how it's done. And I think, except for Kejriwal, who's the only one in his party who's saying that he's the chief minister, I don't think the BJP is saying it either.
While Aam Aadmi Party finds their local face in Arvind Kejriwal, BJP is completely banking upon the Prime Minister himself. They feel if past instances are anything to go by, Narendra Modi has been able to get them across in all the state elections as well as the 2014 general elections. Thus, they are going to stick with Narendra Modi, and it's that pace with which they are going to polls in the national capital.